हेलो एवरीवन। हमने लास्ट क्लास में डिस्कस किया था रिवीजन क्लास में अराइवल्स के बारे में, और अब हम यूनिट 5 डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि है ड्यूरिंग द स्टे एक्टिविटीज़। ड्यूरिंग द स्टे एक्टिविटीज़ वी हैव टू परफॉर्म वेरियस एक्टिविटीज़ टू मेक द कस्टमर्स एक्सपीरियंस, मेक द गेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस into a wow and their experience with comfortable accommodation and desired sort of services and product to the customer to on timely basis. Then firstly we have information services, from which we can provide different types of services through information services desk about the ethnic restaurants, cinema, malls, entertainment hubs, cultural centers in the city, airlines, bus, train schedules, city maps, city sightseeing, places of tourist interests, hotel events, banquets, restaurant, room orientation and facilities, hotels rules and regulations, hotel facilities. If the guest need any kind of information, they contact to the front office. There are some common type of information that guest may ask from the front office department, like information about the local attractions. Guest can ask about the local attractions of the city. Then guest can ask for shopping places nearby where they can shop for themselves, and then they can ask for about hotel policies and procedures, and about banquets, bars, spas and event of the hotels. They can ask about the information related to the hotel also. They can ask about the schedules of bus, train, airlines, and we have to provide the information, right information to the guest. Then they can ask for entertainment hubs nearby in the city. They can ask for kids places to take their kids for the adventure, and they can ask for religious places also. If the guest ask for religious places, then you have to courteously provide the right information to the guest to the places, and also inform the necessities before providing any information. And it is essential to provide every field of information regarding to the information which is seeking by the guest. Then they can ask for score points of the sports. If any cricket match or any football match is going on, they can ask for the same also. Then they can ask for events in the city, and at the same time you have to handle the messages and the mails of the guest. And every hotel have the mails and message handling procedures, standard operating procedures they have, which the front office department need to follow at every point of time, so that no discrepancies will be happen during the handling of messages and mails of the guest. You need to create a message slip. If any message is regarding to the guest is coming to you, then you have to record that message in message slip and create 3 copies for the same. And these messages in messages slip includes the room number, date, time during the absence of guest, or yes or no, and called by the person, and the message in very short. And then we can drop that message slip into the guest room, so that the guest is aware about their messages and mail through the message slips. Then front office department is also responsible for key handlings. Key handling is very important, because at no point front office department cannot afford losing any key or mishandling of key, because it can create a big trouble for department as well as for the hotel. Then there are 3 types of keys basically in hotels. One is emergency keys, which is generally used in emergency situations only. Then we have master's keys. Master's keys are the keys through which we can unlock every room from that particular key. Guest keys is given to the guests at the time of check-in. It is a single room handed key, and it can open only a single individual room. Then nowadays electronic locking system is in very trending that people are using. hotels are using electronic locking system and providing electronic key card to their guests. Then we have hospitality desk for providing informations to the guest, provide information facilities to the guest like concierge departments. And for these desks we need highly skilled people who have strong organization and multitasking skills, ability to stay calm under pressure, a willingness and passion to serve to the guest, and presentable and well groomed. And at the same time they have some responsibilities also to take care when dealing with the guest informations or guest queries regarding the information. These were all about the activities which we need to take care while the guest is staying in your hotel. And at the same time we have to deal with some customer complaints also, and we will discuss in next revision class various common types of customer complaints that is coming regularly basis in different hotels. And we will discuss how we can minimize the customer complaints by following few steps while handling the guest complaints in the next revision class. Okay, thank you for the class.